This is gonna blow your mind. I'm super excited to dive into something revolutionary today. It's all about the latest and greatest from Apple iOS 18. Yes, you heard that right. The new iOS update is here and it's packed with features that make your iPhone smarter, more personal, and incredibly capable. Let's break it down. First up, customization. Imagine tailoring your iPhone's interface just the way you want it. iOS 18 introduces more personalization options than ever before. Whether it's your lock screen, home screen, or settings, you can tweak everything to fit your unique style. It's about making your iPhone truly yours. Next, let's talk about the Photos app. It's not just an update, it's a complete redesign. Accessing your cherished memories has never been easier or more beautiful. With advanced sorting algorithms and intuitive user interfaces, the new Photos app is like having a personal photo assistant in your pocket. And for those who find themselves off the grid, there's something special: messages over satellite. Yes, you can now send texts from anywhere, even the most remote mountain or isolated desert. Staying connected is easier than ever, no matter where you are on the planet. Security and privacy, two pillars of Apple's philosophy, have also been enhanced. The new Passwords app makes managing your security seamless and robust, ensuring your personal information stays safe from prying eyes. Plus, the latest privacy features give you unprecedented control over your data, letting you decide what to share and with whom. But that's not all. iOS 18 marks the beginning of a new era with Apple Intelligence. This personal intelligence system offers intuitive, powerful experiences that transform how you interact with your iPhone. All this, with privacy at its core, ensuring that your data remains just that, yours. Craig Federighi, Apple's Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, says it best: "It's a huge release with incredible features and we can't wait for users to experience it." And honestly, neither can I. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves using their iPhone to the fullest, iOS 18 is something to get excited about. It's more than just an update. It's a leap towards a more personal and intelligent smartphone experience. Stay tuned and let's see how this update will revolutionize our interactions with technology. Thanks for watching. If you're as pumped as I am about iOS 18, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.